Hi, in this video you're going to learn how to download your CAC document if it has been approved. That is, if the registration has been approved by CAC, I want to show you how you can download it all by yourself. So remember, I made a video on my channel where I showed you how to register your business name on CAC by yourself using your smartphone or your laptop. And just yesterday, before I started recording this video, our application was approved, and that's why I deemed it fit to record the process of downloading the document and showing you how to go about it yourself. So if you're looking forward to learning how to register your business name all by yourself, I told you I spent 10,600 naira. If you want to know how to do that and save some money, then you should watch the video on my channel that shows you how to do that by yourself. All you need to do is to come to my channel, go to videos, and you're going to see the video right there. You can see it right here, which is how to register your business name with CAC. Okay, so now let's head over to my CAC account. I'm going to log in with my details. I come here, put in my details, my phone number. I'm going to submit. Okay, so you can see here it's still showing pending approval. So all I need to do is to come here to register. They are yet to move it to where you have that registered. So just click there and you see it here. So you see that it has been approved. I started this journey on August 21st and it was submitted on August 30th, and September 11th my CAC documents are ready. So let's come here and download all the things that needs to be downloaded. So first of all, I'm going to download receipt. Okay, so that has been downloaded. You can see it here, CAC receipt, and then I'm going to click on download documents. Okay, so you see my status report and then you see my certificate. So I'm going to click on download status report. So remember that if you do not download these documents within 7 days, you're going to pay before you can download them again. So you have to make sure that once your CAC document has been approved, you come here and you download them ASAP. If you do not do that, you're going to make payment before you can download them. Okay, so I've downloaded my status report. This is very important. And then I'm going to click on download certificate, which is the major thing here. So this is how to download your CAC document once your registration has been approved. Okay, so both of them have been downloaded. So let's go and see how these documents look like. So I come here to the first one, which was CAC receipt. Okay, this one is the payment of 10,000 naira that was made. Okay, I come here again. I'm going to see application for registration. So these are the applications, the things I filled while trying to register my business. You can see it here. These are the details I filled for. Okay, now let's go and view the one for the main certificate from CAC. You can see it right here. So this is how it is. So I'm just going to go ahead and print because I have my printer here with me. So it makes it very easy. I do not need to spend any money going to any cyber cafe or any place to print my documents. So that is how to download your document. If you got value from this video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video so that YouTube will get straight to more persons, and also click on the notification bell so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. See you next time. Bye.